Hello! For today's discussion, we'll be having our managerial accounting or also known as the management accounting. For the discussion, let us have this one. Okay? Sabi nila kasi daw, ang pag-ibig daw ay hindi lang basta isang emosyon na nararamdaman kung hindi daw isang desisyon na dapat panindigan. Sa pagmamahal, hindi lang tayo nagbabase kung ano ba yung nararamdaman natin. Bagkus, bukod sa nararamdaman natin, tayo ay nag-iisip kung yung tao bang ito ay nararapat para sa atin. At once we make our choices, so dapat daw panindigan natin kung ano man yung desisyon na ating pinili. So ganun daw tayo sa pag-ibig or sa pagmamahal. Ito naman, gusto natin i-relate dito sa ating definisyon ng managerial accounting or management accounting. Ang sabi dito sa managerial accounting or management accounting, it is a field of accounting that provides economic and financial information for internal users, particularly the managers or decision makers in an organization. Okay? In our example a while ago, it is us, the people, the individuals who, based on our feelings, makes decision. In managerial accounting, it is the management who will make the decisions. Okay? The decisions will be coming from the accounting or the records that we have that the managerial accounting or management accounting provides the management. So it has economic and financial information. Okay? So doon, gusto nating ipakita na kanina, i-relate natin yon na tayo as individuals, so syempre, nag-decide tayo based on sa ating emosyon, based on sa ating mga feelings. Okay? Sa managerial accounting naman, the management is deciding on based on the data that they gathered with regards to the decision making that they will have with regards to the operation of the business. Okay? So basically, this is for the managers. The data that is being or that will be gathered in the managerial accounting will be used for the internal users or the management with regards to the operation of the business. Okay, so let us now proceed with the management functions. Okay, for the management functions, we have this one. I want to save in bank kasi I'm planning to save all my love for you. Okay, so here, what we wanted you to understand here is that we are looking for the future. Okay, in order for the future, in order for us to have that future, that kind of future, that goal that we have in our life, so we, as early as from now, so we invest or basically we plan for us to achieve that goal in the future. Okay? So here is that, okay, may gusto akong isang tao, gusto ko siya makakasama ko sa panghabang buhay. Ang gagawin ko ngayon, sa simula pa lang ngayon, gagawin ko is mag-i-invest na ako, magsisave na ako sa bank. Okay? Para pagdating doong panahon na kami ay magsasama, so meron akong ipon at meron kaming future. Okay? So that is basically our discussion with regards to the management function with regards to planning. Okay? Sa planning kasi, we are to set immediate as well as long-range goal for the organization. So sabi natin kasi, ang management accounting or managerial accounting, they are more on the management. Internal users ang gumagamit nito. So sila, sa loob, sila din yung nagpaplano. Ano ba dapat yung gagawin natin? Ano ba yung gusto nating ma-achieve in the future? Ano ba yung mga kailangan ng organization natin? Paano ba natin siya mamimit? So, basically, ito yung planning natin. And we have the next one is predicting future conditions that are expected to prevail. Meron tayong plano. Meron tayong goal. Ngayon, of course, alam natin, yung goal natin na yan, meron mga hindrances. Meron tayong mga pagdadaanan na malamang hindi natin ma-achieve yung ating goal. So, dapat as early as from now, tayo ay nagpaplano na ano ba yung mga dapat natin gawin just in case no, mag-intercept yung ating yung yung plano natin doon sa mga hindrances na papasok doon sa ating organization or doon sa ating goal. And we have the considering the different means or strategies by which the goal set may be achieved. Sa planning, of course, we are also to to provide the organization with what are the procedures, what are the what do you call this? What are the plans? What are the strategies that we are going to use in order for us to achieve the goal that we wanted to attain? And lastly, we have the deciding which of the strategies should be used to attain such goal. The management may provide during the planning different what do you call this strategies. Now, from these strategies, we will choose the best strategies, or we will choose the best that will be implemented by the management in order for us to achieve our goal. Okay? So those are the functions with regards to our planning. Next, we have this one. Minsan kahit sabihin mong suko ka na, kapag naaalala mo kung paano kanya pinasaya o napasaya, bumabalik ka ulit sa pagiging tanga. Na-experience mo ba yan? Naranasan ba natin yan? No? So, meron tayong mga pagkakataon na alam naman na natin na parang wala nang chance. Kaya lang, kapag binabalikan natin yung ating mga memories, kapag binabalikan natin yung ating mga past, so naaalala natin yung ano ba yung nangyari nun. Okay? Yung memory natin na yon, yung feeling na yon, so nagpapasaya sa atin. Bumabalik tayo doon sa panahon na kasama natin yung isang tao na yon, or kung sino man yon. Okay? So dito, excuse me, i-relate natin siya sa directing and motivating na management function. Sa directing and motivating, sabi kasi dito, involves overseeing the day-to-day activities, seeing to it that the organization is functioning smoothly and the members of the organization are mobilized to carry out plans. The directing, of course, the management is the one responsible for their employees, for their staff. Okay, so what they are going to do is to direct to direct these people. They need to be responsible enough to their duties. Okay, so they are or need to carry out all the the operation of the organization. So dapat alam nila kung ano yung lugar nila doon sa ating business. And sabi natin, dapat daw araw-araw na monitor natin yung mga tao natin or yung doon sa ating employees doon sa ating company. And with regards to the motivating. So ito nga yung gusto kong i-relate kanina na pagka daw, di ba sabi natin kanina, habang naaalala daw natin yung mga nangyari na nakaraan na nagpapasaya sa'yo, so parang nanunumbalik ka na naman sa pagiging or tanga or nanunumbalik ka na naman sa feelings mo with regards to that person. So sa motivating ganito, no? Of course, alam natin yung ating mga employees napapagod yan. Yung mga staff natin, lahat na nagtatrabaho sa ating company, napapagod yan. So, what the management need to do, so they need to motivate each and everyone in the company in order for them to achieve the goal of the company. So, that is basically needed for the management or needed for the employees of the company. Okay, so that is directing and motivating. The next one is this one. Sabi, ang pagmamahal parang isang ibon sa kamay. Okay? Ang pagmamahal daw yan ay parang ibon sa kamay. Kapag mahigpit, nakakapanakit. Kapag naman maluwag, nakakapagpalaya. Okay? So dito, nakikita natin na there are two kinds or two ways na kung paano natin nahawakan yung isang ibon. Either, sabi, kung mahigpit daw yung hawak mo, panigurado, makakapanakit ka o makakasakit o baka mamatay pa yung ibon. And the other one is that pagka naman daw binitawan mo naman siya or nilawagan mo yung hawak mo, eh baka naman makalaya siya, makawala siya. Okay? So that is basically what we are trying to relate with regards to the controlling. Yan, from the word control. Okay? It involves checking the performance of activities against the plan or standard set and deciding what corrective actions to take should there be any deviation between the actual and plan or standard performance. In the controlling function, here we are to differentiate okay, the budgeted or the goal that we wanted to achieve versus the actual performances or the actual activities happening in our organization. So we need to determine, oops, saan ba tayo kulang ng strategy? Saan ba natin dapat i-focus yung ating attention? Okay? With regards to the deviation, titignan natin kung ano ba yung gap natin with regards doon sa ano ba yung plan natin at ano ba yung actual natin na nangyayari. Okay? So that is basically controlling. Next one, we have this one. Okay? So management accounting naman versus the financial accounting. So do not be confused, no? Kasi yung iba, akala nila when we say financial accounting is nandun na din yung tinatawag natin na management accounting. So magkaiba sila. Okay? So let us discuss the differences with regards to management accounting and the financial accounting. For the differences, so sabi, magkaiba daw ang importante sa priority. Maaaring importante ka sa kanya, pero hindi ikaw ang priority. Na-experience ba natin yan? Na sa isang, halimbawa, sa minamahal natin, no? We feel that we are important to them. Kaya lang, there are times na parang yung pagiging importante mo, parang minsan nababaliwala niya. Ngayon, papasok tayo. Priority ka ba? Ay baka mamaya kasi may iba ding importante sa kanya, pero mas priority niya yon. Okay? So, tingnan din natin yung mga instances na gano'n. So, tingnan natin yung difference nila. Okay? Pagka-importante ka at yung priority ka. No? Mas maganda sana kung importante ka na at priority ka pa sa kanya. Okay? Ang sabi kasi dito naman yan sa users of information. So, ito yung isa nating i-differentiate no, sa users of report rather. So users of report, sa management accounting, internal users ang gumagamit. O basically, yan na nga yung management natin. Kasi nga, sabi natin, di ba, they need to decide for the operation of the business, for the operation of the company. So, they need to see all the, 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 the reports with regards doon sa operation ng ating business. So, that is basically the management. While on the financial accounting, the users are the external users. So, ito na yung mga government agencies natin, mga suppliers, lenders, and so on and so forth. Okay, so they are external to the company. So this is basically the financial accounting. So with regards to the next one, sabi natin, magkaiba daw ang tumatawa sa masaya. Lahat ng tao, kaya kang patawanin, pero hindi lahat kaya kang pasayahin. Diba? Hindi naman talaga lahat makakapagbigay ng kasiyahan sa'yo. Pwede ka nilang patawanin. May joker dyan, may nagpapatawan na individual. So, matatawa tayo. Kaya lang, totoo ba yung galak mo? Masaya ka nga ba sa loob? Sa deep inside mo? So, okay? So, kaya, gusto natin, tignan, magkaiba yung masaya lang sa tumatawa. Okay? So, that is, basically, we are going to relate for the purpose. Okay? Sa purpose, kasi magkaiba din yung management accounting at financial accounting. Sa management accounting, it provides information that may be used by managers in carrying out the functions of planning, controlling, decision-making, and performance evaluation. So, ito daw yung sa purpose ng management accounting. So, again, the information will be used by the managers para, okay, ma-manage nila yung ating company. So, doon na papasok yung mga management functions natin in order for them to decide what actions to take. And for the financial accounting naman, this provide information about organization, financial position, and results of operation. Okay? So, in the financial accounting, although this is, ginagamit din ng ating mga management, but they rely more on the management accounting. So, for the financial accounting, of course, this is for the external user. So, usually naman kasi, what we are preparing in the financial accounting is the financial statement. So, nandiyan naman yung mga balance sheet natin, income statement. So, these are the results of our operation. So doon natin makikita yung mga figures na yun. Okay? So, next, we have this one. Yan. Pag nagsiselos ako, hindi ko nasasabihin. Hindi ko ipapahalata sa'yo dahil nahihiya ako. Ang gagawin ko na lang, yayakapin kita sabay bulong, isang lapit pa sa kanya, malaya ka na. Okay? So, di ba? Meron mga instances na dapat kayo, marunong kayong bumasa ng tao. Dapat alam natin kung ano ba yung nangyayari doon sa isang tao, sa nararamdaman ng isang tao. So, ganun na pala, no? Meron na pala siyang ganun na pag-iisip. So, dapat kahit papaano, makahalata naman tayo. Ito kasi, gusto ko naman ditong i-relate dito sa ating types of report. So, dito kasi, syempre, kanina sa ating hugot line, no, dapat marunong tayong bumasa ng mga ibang tao. Dapat alam, dito naman, dapat alam natin yung mga reports ng ating management accounting tsaka yung financial accounting. Sa management accounting, ayan, maraming types of reports such as budgets, financial projection, cost analysis. Sa financial accounting, so alam naman natin na ang end naman nito, ng financial accounting natin is yung ano, the financial statement. So dito sa management accounting, so dapat alam nating basahin. Management, alam basahin kung ano ba yung mga projections, yung mga budgets natin, yung mga analysis, different kind of analysis that they are going to use with regards to how they are going to achieve the goals that they set during the planning stage of our organization. Sa management accounting naman, so sabi nga natin, ang end report natin dyan is the financial statement. So we have, ano ba yung 5 components of the financial statement? The balance sheet or the statement of financial position. The income statement or the statement of financial performance. The statement of changes in equity, the cash flow statement, and the notes of the financial statement. So basically, dapat daw alam nating basahin yung mga report na yan. Okay? So next one, we have this one. Okay. May mga babae daw na talagang makakita lang ng pogi, pinagpapalit ka na. Okay? So please, no? Uh, let me and let me quote this one, no? Hindi naman lahat ng babae ganito. So, yun lang naman. Hindi naman lahat. Pero meron. Meron pa rin mga ganitong pangyayari, no? So we have to again, no, to relate that to our topic with regards to presentation, no? So sa presentation daw ng tao, di ba? Makikita natin na, oops, itong tao na to, ang gandang pumorma. Oops, itong tao na to, medyo hindi magandang tingnan. So, yun. Sa presentation natin, dito naman sa management accounting, we are to present our report on the set rules to produce the information most relevant to specific needs. So, pwede silang mag-provide ano ba yung mga gusto nilang makita. So, they can have their own presentation or rules with regards to the presentation of the report that they wanted to see. While the financial accounting, of course, this is only prepared in accordance with the generally accepted accounting principles and other pronouncement or authoritative accounting bodies. So wala tayo dapat mabaguhin dito. Kung ano dapat yung ating guide, yun lang dapat yung susunod natin, which is the GAAP. Okay? And other pronouncement of authoritative accounting bodies. Okay? So that is basically for the presentation. Okay, next one. We have this one. Sana kaya kong ibigay ang buong mundo sa'yo para malaman mo kung gaano ka kahalaga sa buhay ko. Okay? So, siguro, merong mga ibang tao hindi nararamdaman na ito na yung best natin, ito na yung tayo, ito na yung buong buo tayo na gusto sila. Okay? Kaya lang, parang siguro nakukulangan pa sila, ganun, or hindi nila makita yung halaga mo sa kanila. So, ito, gusto ko i-relate ito sa my reporting entity natin. No? Sa reporting entity natin kasi, the report focuses on the company's value chain such as the business segment, product line. While the financial accounting report relate to the business as a whole. Okay? sabi nga natin, di ba, sa financial accounting, buong buo. Okay? Our report is for the whole operation of the business. For the whole entity. Buong buo. Dapat maramdaman natin yung ganun. Sa management accounting, pwedeng unti-unti. Paano natin masasabi, or bakit natin sinabing unti-unti? Pwede kasi by department. Ito, department na to. Production department. Gusto ko ito makita kong report. For the manufacturing department, production or manufacturing department, for the packaging department, and so on and so forth. No? So, pwede tayong makagawa ng report dyan. Or, pwede natin i-provide kung ano mang report yung kailangan natin. Okay? That is to reporting entity. Next, we have this one. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Dati, crush lang kita, tapos naging tayo na. Hindi rin magtatagal, magiging asawa na rin kita. Wow! Sana all. No? So, eto, sabi niya, mabilis daw ng panahon. Siguro nung nagkakita kayo, crush mo lang siya. No? Tapos, naging kayo na. Okay, siguro, na niligawan niya, kaya siya naging sila. Tapos, ang gusto niya, siya na, pang matagalan. So, magiging asawa na din daw siya. Okay, nakita niyo yun? So, this is, no, with regards to time. No? So, we have to, what are the period cover of management accounting and the financial accounting? For the management accounting, reports may cover any time period as frequently as needed. Kung kailangan niya, halimbawa, kung that is daily, that is weekly, that is monthly, that is semi-annually, that is annually. So, we need to provide the report needed by the management. While the financial accounting, of course, meron tayong mga report na yearly, quarterly, and monthly or semi-annually. So, yun yung sa financial accounting natin. Okay? Sa management kasi, sabi natin kung ano yung kailangan kasi ng ating management. So, kailangan natin i-provide. Okay? So, that ends my presentation. So, I do hope you understand something for today. So, again, this is Jeffel Ryan Z. Bolanos. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe ANJ Bookbinders Tutorials. Again, God bless us all. Thank you.